It's something big. Here. Ah. You didn't even drag set good enough, man. Alright. We out here fishing. Brian's down there hiding somewhere. He's hiding. He's got a camouflage hat on, so he's hiding real good. Got Jesse and Caleb and Tim out here fishing on the river. Just hiked through all of that and a million mosquitoes to get here. 12 coats of bug spray later, and I'm finally catching fish. I just caught a nice little flathead catfish. I didn't get it on video because I'm dumb and I didn't pull the camera out. But I'm keeping him. He's good size to eat. I'm getting a bite right now. Oh, I got a bite. Somebody come take this. Hold it this way so you can see me. Ready? Mm-hmm. Missed it. God dang it. Took my freaking worm. Look at this worm. Pitiful. Took most of my worm. Probably just a baby. Oh well. If I wasn't recording, I would have had that, so better luck next time, I guess. Alright, my pole's back in the water. There's Brian. He came out of hiding. He's a little salty because he ain't caught nothing. Are you still fishing down there? Yeah? Alright. Tim ran away on me. He's gone. Jesse's gone too. I can't see him. And Caleb's trying to steal my spot. What are you doing? Are you snagged? Yeah, well, again?
I'm looking right at my this tree.
Wait, let me get this. You're snagged again for the how many at the time?
Dude, it's the third, and it's the same spot.
Same spot.
For sure.
Third time.
Yeah, I'm not casting.
Wow.
Yeah.
Poison ivy all over the place. I probably got it. I might be getting a bite. Oh shoot, I blocked the camera lens. It's bumping a little bit. Who knows? Probably just a baby. Climb down there and get it.
I'm not sticking my hand.
You're not sticking your hand in there? You scared?
Dude, that's nasty.
It's just a river. You better call Jesse over here.
No.
Alright, let's get some fish, dang it. Alright, here, somebody hold this. I'm recording. It's something big. Here. Ah. You didn't even drag set good enough, man.
He was taking that
Catfish?
It was big.
Oh man.
Should have had my big pool. Yeah, he was a big one.
His pole? Alright, here. Oh, you can probably just take him and lay him in the creek if you want. Alright. Tim got a carp right after I just left that spot. Like literally 30 seconds ago, Tim got that carp. That's crazy. I'm not even in the water yet. Brian's still setting his pole up from the catastrophe.
The monster.
Oh man, that was crazy. And we're still fishing. Oh, just tossed him back.
Keep that net like in between us.
Yeah.
He was mine.
Yeah, he would have been. I don't know how the frick you're gonna get down there to get him.
I would have got him. I would have got wet.
Dang. Alright, I got my second fish of the day. There it is. Just a small carp. This kingfisher's dove down. I should have got that. He's about as big as my foot. Fun to catch, but not what I'm trying to catch. Tim and the boys, they had to leave. Me and Brian are sticking it out for a little longer, see what we can catch. Yep, getting fish. You got him. Brian's got a big one. Perfect. Just leave it drag just like that. Is it coming? You need the net? I gotta watch my poles. Oh shoot. Oh, it's carp. Oh, he's slipping. I'm missing that.
Oh.
I need to stay out of the poison ivy and watch my poles at the same time. Get him. You good?
Yeah.
You need the net?
Bit slipping.
Oh shoot, popped off the line. Got him. Oh no. Knocked my pole over, look at my hands. Look at my poor pole. All tangled up, probably snagged. I gotta fix that in a minute.
One, eh?
Nice.
Pucker.
Took your hook? Ooh. Oh, I think I might be getting a bite. Look at that. Look at my pole. See that? Might try to get that. Yeah, just I walked mine down there, tossed them in. My line's got stuff all over it. I need to fix that one. Check on that one. It's bouncing a little bit. Alright. We're out of here.
Keep the bug up.
This is my catch. Nice flathead catfish. I'm gonna take that home and clean it. Eat that up. And we're done. Hands are all dirty. Need to take a shower. That was a good day of fishing.